Hi guys, welcome to Olive Board. A very warm welcome to all of you. So IFSCA phase 1 results are out. So we were waiting for RBI results. IFSC results are also out. So all those who have given the exam, you can just go and check out the result. So the result is already there. The result was there yesterday only. Phase 1 ke liye they have put up this roll numbers. You can just tell us, all those who have qualified this IFSC exam, if you need any kind of preparation for your phase 2, then also you can contact us. Next thing that I want to add upon is, just a minute. Yeah, what next to be done? So see, since we know that once you have checked your results, then focus on phase 2 immediately. Don't wait for any further. Like, you need to paper 1, basically common for both the streams, the legal streams and the other. So read about the descriptive test and all. Do give test, do write essay. So essay writing would be there. You can practice essay. What all essay you need to practice? All that essay which is going on for RBI and NABARD, those essay will be enough for you to practice. Then essay writing, how is it going to be written? So it is going to be written just like, you do it in your RBI and NABARD, and then comprehension also you need to do. Anything if you want to ask? Yes. So next is paper 2. Paper 2, it's basically for your general stream. For general stream, it will be IFSCA Acts, Union Budget, Economic Survey, which you have already done. Or if you are preparing for RBI and NABARD, you would have already done. Even if you are prepared for phase 1, आपने budget और economic survey तो पढ़ के ही गए होगे. Banking, capital market, insurance, pension fund, bullion, gift city, gift IFSC. So 50 questions will be there, 2 marker each. So you can just prepare that. And then legal stream will have some specialized questions as well. So that will be other. But then for the general stream, you just need to focus on certain specific areas which are shown to you over here. But then yes, you have to be a little wise, because there is negative mark, 1/4 marks deduction would be done. Candidates would need to secure separate cutoffs in each paper and aggregate cutoff marks for 40% in phase 2 exam. Weightage 1/3 of paper 1 and 2/3 of paper 2 would be there if at all somebody is selected for phase 3. So 1/3 marks will be allotted to your paper 1, that is your English. And phase 2 has paper 2 has definitely more weightage. The duration of both the papers is 60 minutes. So you'll be given a break between it. And the maximum marks of both the paper is 100 marks. So 100 marks will be for both the papers. Now, how many students will be selected in your phase 3 for the interview? So for interview, they are just going to call 3 times the number of vacancies. So be aware about that. But I would say don't wait till the time that I'll be starting, my preparation for the interview later on. When you are just doing your phase 2 preparation, side by side, just go through the newspapers, see what is happening around you, because you cannot build. Rome was never built in a day. Neither your interview preparation can just happen all of a sudden in just 1 to 2 weeks of time. So you need time for preparation, and that's what, even during your phase 2 preparation, while you are seeing that what all essays are to be written, or what all things you can just incorporate, you can just do it over there as well. But having said that, all the very best for your phase 2 examination to all those who are able to qualify phase 1. To all those who are not able to go through your phase 1, that's okay, guys. There are good days, there are bad days. You can just see where you lagged or what problems you faced, and then you can move ahead. I would say that don't wait over here, and just, even if you just want to take a break, think what went wrong actually, so that in the upcoming exam, because now you are having back-to-back banking exam, you also have back ECG, CPO and all these examination, wherein you'll also again, you'll go for this QRE and all. So see where actually the problem went, why was this hiccup actually happened, and then you can move ahead. That's all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.